Dubai, one of the most progressive cities of the world, is going to host Dubai Expo 2020. From the 1st of October 2021 till 31st of March 2022. The main theme for the Expo is connecting minds, creating the future. And it offers the biggest opportunity to showcase India to the world. With 192 participating nations, the Expo is expected to have huge international footfalls. Welcome to the India Pavilion at Expo Ground, Dubai. This is a 4-story building. India Pavilion will show India's cultural diversity, ancient treasures, achievements, and leading opportunities with cutting-edge technologies. The facade is made up of 600 individual blocks. These blocks are capable of kinetic movements, symbolizing the theme, India on the move. During the day, the facade will create different moving patterns. To celebrate 75 years of India's independence, 75 stories have been identified for 26 weeks. Every week, these patterns will take a shape of 3 stories of the 25 sub-themes. In the evening, the facade will turn into a vibrant show with sound, light, and projections. India will come alive in action on this facade. You will also find open theatre, restaurants, and souvenir shops in an open plaza. The India experience inside the pavilion has been designed under 11 themes. As you enter the building, you will be fascinated by the starry space. Now, you will walk through India's journey into space exploration. This fascinating orange globe will tell you the inspiring stories of India's mission Mangalyaan. The giant globe with multiple LEDs inside will take you through the proudest movements of ISRO, India's space organization. These 3 pods in a row are narrators of India's astronomy, yesterday, today, and tomorrow. That is, India's ancient heritage of astronomical wealth, India's current mission, and future missions like manned mission to moon and Gaganyaan. In VR Pod, you will experience the expedition to space as an astronaut. Now you will be smoothly transported to the land of tranquility and healing, where you will observe different chakras and mandalas projected on the live yoga performers. Now walk inside a giant terrarium and explore the treasures of Ayurveda. The escalators will lead you to the first floor. Here you will explore the colors of India in an immersive environment. The LED walls will envelope you with India's heritage, dances, textiles, landscapes, art forms, sports, and cinema. The kaleidoscope captivating visuals and mesmerizing installations will take you in their thrall. The escalators will lead you to the second floor. Here you will discover India as a land of billion opportunities. On this hemisphere LED, you will relive India's journey of 75 years of independence. You will watch New India empowering its people on these circular LEDs. Here, you will also come across India as a hub for future businesses. This smart installation of Smart City also invites the investors to find India as a leader in sectors like pharma, diamond, startups, food processing, and more. The floor also vibes with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision turning into action. India believes in the philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The Silk Route installation celebrates India's bond with the world, especially with the UAE. Leading Indian corporations also play a larger role to India's growth story. On the third floor, you will uncover the brands and businesses in India which have been catalyst in the development. The state-of-the-art theatre hall will be open for meetings, cultural shows, reception, and film screenings. Upon exiting the second floor, there will be a sector's pavilion, and upon exiting the first floor, there will be a state's pavilion showcasing multiple opportunities every 2 weeks. The main exit will be a memorable one, where you will find 21 reasons to visit India. Get your photos clicked and see the images coming to life through AR. This 183-day-long extravaganza in the India Pavilion will include celebrations of Indian festivals, food festivals, dialogues between innovators and startup founders, debates upon the post-pandemic world, sessions by over 140 celebrities, including women authors, actors, filmmakers to scientists, and other accomplished personalities. Gala events such as cinema screening, art exhibitions and sports, business meetings with global counterparts, dozens of pre-expo events, contests and online workshops will be held. India Pavilion at Dubai Expo 2021 will be a collaborative effort hosted by startups, academic bodies and institutions, research agencies, policymakers, NGO and corporates. There will also be a grand celebration of India's 75 years of independence. From ancient heritage to the future prospects, India Pavilion will welcome the world with the warmth and vision for inclusive growth. India Pavilion at Expo Ground, Dubai.